It is the season to be thankful.
A lot of times, server life content will highlight the things that we do not like about our jobs, but today we're going to be telling you what we are thankful for. First and foremost, I want to say that I am thankful for my bar back. He is always there for me, especially when I'm pouring a bottle and I'm weeded and the bottle is running out and I turn around and there he is, like an angel sent from above with a new bottle.
I am extremely appreciative of my barbacks. I wouldn't be able to do it without you at all, honestly. I need you. You're my sidekick.
I am thankful for the managers who know how to cut when it's slow. And I love you. Give me good shifts.
I am very thankful for the cooks in the back working their asses off. And they know that you work your ass off too. So, you go in there, you're like, hey guys, how's it going? That looks good. They know that you're polite and you're not gonna ask. So they just, here girl, here you go. You look hungry. Here's a fry. Thank you so much. I wanted that fry.
Sometimes when I'm behind the bar, I'll get stuck in a conversation with a guest that I really don't want to be in. Y'all can be awkward sometimes. I'm thankful for those coworkers who recognize that and they're like, hey Sam, come here, you're needed. You're the real MVP.
I am also thankful for that one customer that has his card in hand, memorized the entire party's order, and he's ready for you because he sees that you're busy. He knows you're weeded when you get there and you're like, yeah, can I help you? Here, what can I get for you, sir, ma'am? Thank you. Here you go. Oh, so easy. That was so easy. Thank you. If you want to come to my Thanksgiving dinner, let me know. You're invited. I'm also thankful for those servers that are patient when you're on service well, and they're just waiting there patiently for their cocktails without speaking at all. I'm thankful for you. Thank you for not rushing me.
I'm also thankful for security. You guys always have my back, especially that one time that guy grabbed my ass. I'm thankful for you. Thank you for escorting him out.
I'm so thankful for that one coworker that is always picking up your shifts. You are seriously the best. I would probably be killing myself somewhere if you didn't, so thank you.
And last but not least, I am thankful for my partner in crime, that one coworker that you just get along with. They make the shift easier. You guys are always laughing and having a good time. You make bartending fun. Bianca, I'm thankful for you.
Love you.
Now I'm gonna cry.